Let's give it a start, Fabio. You're the freaking best. I love you so much. Thank you. I love you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So how to make money with TikTok videos. $10 for every single video, and it doesn't freaking matter what the video is about. So before we jump into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribed, because I'm gonna go ahead and get back to you. So how do you make money from your TikTok account? By simply adding music into your video. For each song you add into your video, you make $10 into your PayPal account. So here's how it works. First, you become a playlist push influencer. This is you monetize your TikTok channel with new music from this website right here. That's the only thing you have to do. And so what you get paid, it's simple. You love making TikTok videos, right? You need music for your videos, right? So now what you can do is you get paid to help independent artists promote their music. That's what you're doing. So you're grabbing music from this website and you're putting into your TikToks, and each TikTok video that you do, you get $10. So simply, just find the songs that you love. You simply log in to check out the available songs that you have on this website, and you make a video for any song that you like inside of it. Then you submit the link to your video and you'll receive your payment. And there's no limit on how much you can make. You can make as many videos as you want, and they literally send out 30 songs a month. No limit on your income. Also, no commitment. You only use music that you like and maintain 100% control of your channel. You're never required to make videos, only if you want. I mean, the more videos you make, the more $10 you can make. Each video $10. One video 10, two videos 20, three videos 30, four videos 40, five videos $50 into your PayPal account. So they pay through PayPal payments. Request a payout at any time to your PayPal account. Payment starts at $10 per video, and you'll get your payment per video after your account has been approved. So they have to go ahead and approve your TikTok account. Once it's approved, you're ready to rock and roll. And so now I'm going to reveal to you this website, and man, you can start getting paid today. You just click this button right here, which is apply now, so you could qualify your TikTok. So when you click here, apply now, it literally is going to ask you how many followers you have on TikTok, how many views. So you have to, do all of this so you can be approved. And the website is this one, playlistpush.com. This one right here, playlistpush.com. This is the website. Literally, we'll pay you $10 for each video that you do. Just add in the song that they have available, and then you're ready to rock and roll. Very different and unusual way to make money, but this really pays, and they're really doing this. And so if you like to make videos on TikTok and you just want to make videos and have fun, then man, for every video you get $10 that you guaranteed for every video that you do. This is an amazing way for you to monetize your videos. Even if you already make money with TikTok, you can go ahead and utilize this, to get $10 per video. Who doesn't want that? That's so easy. You just add in the video, send them the link, and boom, you're making $10 for each video. Really good, really good. And so there you go. This is the website, playlistpush.com. I hope you really enjoyed this. This is so cool. I mean, anybody can do it. And by the way, I have videos here. I have a video here on my YouTube channel that teaches you how to grow on TikTok, how to get, followers and everything. I will leave that link in the description below. And I will also leave another link, which is a link showing you how to do money with TikTok with a different method, which is for you to make even bigger commissions, $1,000 commissions. And so that's going to be also in the description below this video. And there we go. I hope you liked this video. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you did not, give it a thumbs down. And if you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, as I do videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday about making money online and helping you become great. And if you know somebody that will benefit from this video, if they have a TikTok account, they might need to get money on their TikTok, please share this video with them so they can go ahead and pull it off. Thank you. And if you want to learn how to make money online, high ticket commissions, I will leave a link below. That's my #1 recommendation. You can start today. With that said, thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate you taking the time for being here on the channel. I'm so grateful to have you here on my YouTube family. You're part of my YouTube family. Thank you so much. I'm so glad you are here. Don't forget how beautiful you are. Always believe in yourself. You are limitless. You have no limits. You can achieve whatever you set your mind to. I do believe in you. Stay blessed. Stay awesome. And I will see you next time.